Sirmione, what a beautiful town in the middle of Lake Garda. This is a narrow strip of land that stretches into the southern part of Lake Garda for a few kilometers. We are literally in the middle of the lake. And what's the best way to discover a place in the middle of a lake? Welcome back to Italy, my friends. Today we are on Lake Garda. In this video I'm going to show you what to do, what to see in one day in Sirmione. Public beaches, interesting things to visit, best places in Sirmione, hot springs and much more. And if you're looking for a guided tour in Sirmione, just write me in the comments below. Andiamo! Sirmione has always been a popular tourist destination. Many artists and VIPs passed by and also lived in Sirmione. For instance, a young singer from USA who became a superstar here in Italy also thanks to a man from Verona, Giovan Battista Meneghini. Probably the name doesn't sound anything to you. No, okay, no. But you have to know that this man was truly in love with her talent, her voice, her, yeah, you know what I mean. He truly believed in her, so he helped a lot, and she became a superstar also thanks to him. So probably no surprise for you if I'm talking about Maria Callas. Yeah, one of the greatest singers of all times. So yeah, they got married in 1949 and they bought that beautiful yellow villa you can see behind me. The place where she lived the best days of her life. And talking about beautiful villas, on the very peak of the peninsula of Sirmione there remains of a special villa. That place is called Catullus Caves. When the Venetians came here on Lake Garda more or less 600 years ago, they found something similar to caves. But in the 50s of the last century, the archaeologists, they started to think that caves here in Sirmione, quite strange. So they dug a little bit and they understood that caves were actually arches of a very big villa. So they dug everything and they discovered the remains of the biggest Roman villa in northern Italy. And right there, the most popular beach in Sirmione is called Jamaica Beach. You know, the water is not deep all around the peak of the peninsula, the sun is high in summer, beautiful colors, Caribbean Sea, Jamaica Beach. But this is not the real reason of the name. Guys, pirates from the Caribbean is just a legend. Pirates, they were historically in the Mediterranean area, including Lake Garda. So in the 50s, 60s of the last century, the southern part of the lake was the set of many movies about pirates. And right there, in the 70s, they recreated a fake Caribbean beach. And they named the place Jamaica Beach. And they shot the first movie, Pirates from the Caribbean. But when people saw the movie, they were like, wow, cool adventures, pirates and so on. But there is a Roman villa in Jamaica. So the movie was not a success. But the set was used to create the first amusement park in Italy, Pirates from the Caribbean. What? Johnny Depp? Ma va là, va, va! Can you see bubbles here? This is a hot spring. Lake Garda is the only place in Italy where you can find hot springs inside the lake. If you dive, you go 20 meters down, the water is 69 Celsius. But 69 Celsius, of course, is too hot. We need to cool down. So when you see a lot of people right there, it's because to cool down the thermal water, they pour it back into the lake. That means free hot springs for everyone. Best ever. The castle of Sirmione, built 750 years ago by the Della Scala family. This is an amazing castle, the typical medieval castle. On the boat you have the chance to admire the castle and the dock of the castle from a privileged point of view. And you also have the chance to pass under the two former drawbridges of the castle on the boat to complete the tour. So yeah, you are going to pass inside the castle on the boat. Oh, that was close. And if you want to know more about the castle, in the description of this video you find the link to that video. But the boat trip around the peninsula is just one of the things you can do in Sirmione. The medieval old town, with its narrow and irregular streets and beautiful squares, is enlivened by thousands of tourists from all over the world. The entire old town is a restricted traffic zone, a paradise for pedestrians, who enjoy a relaxing stroll while tasting a good ice cream from one of Sirmione's 3 billion ice cream parlors, or shopping in the many stores, or simply enjoying a cocktail or a delicious meal in a restaurant overlooking the lake. The long lakeside promenade leads to hidden corners of Sirmione that you would never guess. And when you're tired, you can just lie down and enjoy the many public beaches. The aforementioned Jamaica beach is just one of them. There is also a lovely beach near the castle, or the Lido delle Bionde beach, which is equipped with a bar, a restaurant and sunbeds. And if the weather gets worse or you are simply tired of exploring Sirmione, no problem. You can relax for a few hours at the Catullo Spa, an authentic wellness experience where you can take time for yourself and enjoy the benefits of thermal water, massages, saunas, Turkish baths, thermal pools, relaxation areas, herbal teas, thermal mud, whirlpools, treatments and much more. And that's all, my friends. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can put a thumb up and subscribe my channel for more videos. And let me know in the comments below if you want more of this kind of content. I am already working on another video about Lake Garda, but anyway, I remind you, if you want to have more info about guided tours in Sirmione, just write me in the comment section below. Thanks again, I'll see you in Italy and ciao!